Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Vicks 3-in-1 Sleepy Time humidifier, diffuser, and nightlight running efficiently. Before cleaning, turn off and unplug the humidifier. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a flat, water-resistant surface near a faucet. Follow this two-step cleaning process to remove scale and disinfect your humidifier. Both steps are important and must be performed separately. Remove and empty the water tank and base. Pour 2 cups of vinegar into the water tank. Replace the cap and swish in a circular motion. Place the tank on the base. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, remove the tank, unlock the tank cap, and pour vinegar from the tank into the sink. Rinse the water tank thoroughly to remove the scale and until the smell of vinegar is gone. Pour out any remaining vinegar from the base into the sink and wipe the base thoroughly with a small cloth. Next, put on gloves to begin the disinfecting process. To disinfect, dilute a ½ teaspoon of bleach to a ½ gallon of cool water. Pour the solution into the water tank and replace the cap. Swish the bleach solution and place the tank back on the base and let soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Carefully empty the bleach solution from the tank and base into the sink. Using a cloth, wipe the base with any remaining water and bleach mixture. After wiping down the tank and base, rinse tank with water until the smell of bleach is gone. Your humidifier is now clean and ready to use. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.